It's my dream country.
See, that's mine. That's neighbor. That's neighbor. That's neighbor.
Okay. The style of your house is very beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
This is one of the
Sir,
cheapest homes you can buy.
Sir, are you living in a village?
No. No, it's not called a village. It's a neighborhood.
Okay. But your
Neighborhood.
place, where you live, this is quite and claim. It's very nice and very beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Wow, Christmas tree.
My wife is in the Christmas mood.
Okay, I like it, sir.
You know Christmas?
Yeah.
Okay, well, she's in the Christmas mood.
Wow.
So she started putting up the Christmas tree, and I said, it's too early. She said, no, I want up the Christmas tree.
Okay.